Hello student, a very big Jai Hind and good morning to all class 11th student of Karmdev institution. Today we have to explain or illustrate the question answers. Yesterday we have completed the summary part explanation part first and part second. So today let us see the question answers. So let us begin students. See here. Question answers. But before we start the question answers, let us examine just a few important word powers, word meaning that will help you to make it much understood. So firstly, see, student, page number 38. Page number 38 we have to open. In these the question answers are explained from your hornbill. We are going to use our hornbill book. Students, see, your unit test is going to begin. The paper will be come from this hornbill part only. 3 chapters I have kept. First is King Tut. Second, the Laburnum Top poem, and third is this Landscape of the Soul. So student, this is our question answer. Okay, now let us see. Firstly, pay attention carefully. Landscape of the Soul, written by Nathalie, a great poet, a great author we can say from Hornbill books. Okay, now let us see. Brute, sparkling wine, dry wine, brute way, not usable we can say. Illusionistic, the technique of using pictorial picture type, picture as explained in the rock gardens by Nek Chandra, the great person who had discovered rock garden in Chandigarh. Delicate, easy to break, conceptual, something having of a to do with the mind, conceptual. Anecdote, a short story, part first and part second we can say, and two story, first part and second part student. Emperor, the ruler of an empire, in both the story, king is given, both story, king is described. Okay, so let us see. Now, today there is the question answer. Now see. Contrast the Chinese view of art with the European views with example. Means we have to give the comparison. Compare. So answer number first. Let us see. Students, see. Answer first. Compare. Which comparison? Chinese and European. So students, the Chinese art consists of illusionistic fancies, means on imaginary concepts. But the European art consists of realistic, real factors. So these are two things. And example is our, in first the Chinese art, the painter who is designing the walls by making a great painting, and emperor is very much happy of that caves. And in second case, European we can say the blacksmith found of love with a girl and the father refused, but actually make a beautiful original type paintings of a fly. This original type they decorate the flies, that is. So this is first answer. Now second, explain the concept of Shanxi. Very important question, student. Importance. What is the importance of Shanxi? So student, firstly, sanctuary means the mountain, the river, the valley consists of yan, and in. Two important words, remember, yan and in. Now sanctuary means collection of water, mountain, which consists of yan and in. Yan means mountain. Important points, remember students, in water, and in means water, and yan, Y-A-N-H, yan means mountain consists of. So it is a combination and became the landscape, the name of our heading of our chapter units, landscape. Okay, so this discovered the consist of origin of earth. Third, what do you understand by a term outside art, and art good or art broad? See, broad word is helping a sparkling mind, destroying object, things which is not in use. So the answer, what do you understand by a term outsider art? Now I will explain this answer. Outsider art consists of the art that can be implemented by any person or any people using the material which is not in use, means scrap materials. The great example, pride of India, Nek Chandra, make a beautiful garden in Chandigarh, consists of very famous, and this type of stone paintings of that is not. You see the picture, student. This is a important answer. In 80 years old, creator director Nek Chandra is now hailed as India's biggest contributor to outsider art. The 15th issue, spring 2005, of Raw Vision, a UK-based magazine, pointer is outsider art publication features Nek Chandra and his rock garden sculptures, women of waterfall on the anniversary issue cover. So this is our answer. Okay, Nek Chandra, the famous rock garden. Important thing, students, we can write rock garden. This is our ask. And in the last, students, pay attention. See the last question of this chapter. Who was the untutored genius who created a paradise, and what is the nature of his contribution to art? See this. Again the same explanation answer. The great genius of 18th century, the Nek Chandra, who used the outsider art, make a, establish, develop, generate a rock garden and waterfall of a woman, all this via stones and rocks. Landscape meaning, landscape means collection rocks. I have given you the word meaning also, that will help you. So student, what word meaning I am giving, that is helpful to contribute a sentence. You easily understood it, recognize it, and make your own sentence and question answers more. So student, this is our completion part. Unit test is going to come. These 3 chapters I am going to keep in your exam. Yes, you can note down this way. Unit test portion, student. Okay, I will send also, so you can help it. Unit test. King tooth discovery. Discovering tooths. Second, the laburnum. The laburnum top. And third that is going to arise is landscape. Okay, so this is completion. Thank you, student. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.